Construction is set to begin at Miller Elementary School in the spring of 2020. Improvements planned for Miller will help relieve overcrowding, prepare for future enrollment, and improve safety and security. Flooring will be replaced in areas where it's most needed, such as the library and computer room. A secured vestibule will be constructed at the front entrance. Other improvements include roofing replacements, intercom system upgrades, and electronic badge access system upgrades. 5 new classrooms will be built here. The new classroom wing will include 2 additional restrooms. A classroom expansion wasn't originally planned for Miller. Thanks to additional earnings on bond proceeds, plus grants and reimbursements, and because of the recommendation from the Boundary Review Task Force, this expansion is possible. And thanks to the additional funds, more work can be done for the same amount of public investment. Approximately $4.6 million will be invested in improvements at Miller. Construction is expected to take between 9 and 12 months. Miller Elementary School, 2018 Bond Program. Thank you, Salem and Keizer voters.